All right, hello everyone. So my name is David Benin, and on social media, my name on social media is TraderBenDave. I don't know. Those of you who follow me or saw my face before you joined this group, it means you've already seen my face, but this is the face behind TraderBenDave. So as I promised, this is something that I want to do, and it's not like somebody asked me what is the catch to this. There is no catch to this. I just want to help because there's a lot of male traders, and then there's just a few female traders, and this is like my form of initiative to help new females that want to get into trading get started. So this is not going to be any bullshit. I'm going to teach you exactly what I would teach anyone that pay me to teach, right? So I'm going to teach you all the things that you need from beginning to a level where you can be on your own, and then you could start wondering and find something that actually works for you. So before we get started with everything, there is some couple of things that I would require you to get, which would make the class so cool for you, like some tools that you need, right? So the first thing I would require you to get is uh, we need a zoom. So I don't know who is familiar with Zoom and who is not familiar with Zoom, but Zoom is like a conferencing app that we use for calls. So everyone is at a different location, and of course you already know this is not going to be a one-on-one class. This is going to be like a virtual class. So you need Zoom for the meetings that we'll be having, and I'm still thinking about it. I don't know if we are going to have live classes. There will be some live classes, but I'm not sure if all the classes are going to be live, and I'm still trying to put everything together on how we would do this exactly, but we would discuss that. So one thing is when I post something there, please participate. If it is something that we have to vote, you take part in the voting so that we can know what people want, because the bad thing is wasting my time and wasting your time as well. So we should make sure that whatever I'm doing is something that you guys is okay with you guys, and also is helping you achieve the aim of this, right? So that's just by the way. And one more thing, I said earlier on that if you are not in the, so we have the channel and then the chat. So the channel is you can only see what I post there, but whatever I post gets posted on the chat. The chat is where you can type and ask questions and everything. So if you are not in the channel, make sure you're in the channel. And if you're in the channel, make sure you're in the chat so that you can be able to see the messages in real time. So the difference is not, there's not really much differences, but if you are in the chat, because we'll be chatting and talking about a whole lot of things, sometimes the important information will get mixed up, but the channel would be only me typing, so you can see exactly the kind of things that I'm typing, and then the same thing get posted into the chat at the same time, and then we can all chat and then ask questions about stuff that we are doing. Once again, I want to help. I don't want to be I don't want to waste my time, and whatever I'm doing should be effective. So we need Zoom, and then we need MT4. So on your phone, whether you're using iPhone or Android, you go to MT4 on Play Store, or MT5. It's the same thing. So I'll explain this in details, whether you need MT4 or MT5. And then you also need to get an account on tradingview.com. And what else do you need? So the other things that you need are personal things. So you need to make sure, at least if you don't have a laptop, you should have a phone. If you have a laptop and a phone, that is good. And then you need a good internet connection. So if you can get these things, then we are good to go. right? So this video, if you see this video, it means officially we are in business, and then we'll start things going. So there are some of you according to the, let me open up the page real quick. All right, so let me just use this to address it. So when you come here, free trading lessons for ladies, you can see here that there are 60 members in the chat. So this is the chat. It means that everybody can type, just like some of you are like typing. But when you come to the channel only, I'm the only one who can type. You see the number of people here, 105. So if you want to join the chat, what you need to do is, I think this is the chat link. So you just click on it and you join the chat, so that you'll be on both platforms, which means there are about 50 people that are on the channel that are not on the chat, right? So that is just by the way. What I was going to show you something, I forgot. All right, I forgot what I was going to show you. So this will be the first video. If you see this video, it means we're officially in business, and then we would start having a plan on how to proceed with classes. So thank you.